In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a PDF to text or a button in your page editor. First, open your website page inside Chrome and go to the section where you want to make the edit. Once you're in the design layout and can see the workspace clearly, click Edit so the page elements become interactive. This puts you into the editing mode where you can adjust text, buttons, and link settings without affecting the live page until you save. Next, decide what should open the PDF. If you want the PDF to open when someone clicks text, highlight the exact word or phrase inside your paragraph or text block. Be precise here because only the selected text will become clickable. If you'd rather use a button instead, simply click the button block or button module you want to connect to the file. The editor will usually show a settings panel or options drawer for the selected element, which is where you'll make the link change. Once the text or button is selected, look for the main link tool. This is usually shown as a chain icon somewhere in the editing toolbar or text settings row. Click that icon to open the link overlay. This step tells the editor that you want the selected content to send visitors somewhere when clicked. After the link settings appear, find the small gear or settings wheel next to the destination URL field. Clicking that icon opens more detailed link options, which is important because you're not linking to a normal web page in this case, you're linking to a file instead. From the options on the left side of the link settings window, choose the File tab. This switches the destination type from a web address to a document or uploaded asset. If your editor contains different categories, make sure you stay in the file area so you can browse or upload the correct PDF. Now click the upload arrow icon and select your PDF from your computer's local storage. After the upload completes, confirm that a checkmark appears next to the file in the list. That checkmark is a good visual confirmation that the correct document is selected. Before finishing, turn on the Open in New Window option so the PDF opens in a separate tab. This is usually the better experience for visitors because it keeps your page open while they view the file. Finally, click Save to apply the link. Your text or button should now trigger the PDF correctly. If possible, test it right away to confirm the file opens as expected and in a new window.